Hello. Fascinating day today, folks. Started with the gold November 7th, Monday. Remember, tomorrow we have midterm elections in the US, so the market, I was expecting the market to be crazy, and it was very difficult. However, first thing in the morning, 8:25 a.m., I said gold, we have support at 1675 area. It might take us to 1692. If you look at the chart of the gold, this is the chart. This is the time here where you see the box, the green box. This was the time when I mentioned it. So it was way ahead of time. If you look at the, if you look at the time exactly at the bottom of the chart, it is 8, you see 8:25 timing. See that 8:25 at the bottom. So I called the level. It went up, came back down near it. Came back, went up, back up, and then again near it, and the market stopped. Nothing. I didn't call the trade because we didn't get our level. However, on the indices, fascinating. I was looking for a big move, and it happened. But let me show you what happened exactly. I said ES at 8:34, and I also forwarded to the people here on the free channel, right? I said 8:34 at 8:34 a.m. I'm sorry, not this one here. 8:34 a.m. and 8:48 a.m. I called the ES support level and the YM support level. ES at 37.76. Remember, it was 8:34 a.m. It was where the box was. See this, the box? Let's look at the bottom, 8:34, 8:35. I called this line to be support. I tried to break it. Look at the top. This was my target. I did not call the trade. I cannot take any credit for it, but I called the level, right? So that was a non-count. YM, remember 8:48. I called it at 32 415. Timing 8:48 a.m. And this is 8:48 a.m. 8:48 a.m. It was around here, around maybe if I get the box somewhere around here, okay. And the price was exactly this line. It came close to it. It missed it by a couple of points, or maybe 1 point, and then we left off. The fascinating part is the Nasdaq. I called a trade from this line all the way to this line. It was 700 ticks move. I got it. The whole move happened. However, let me show you. At 10:34 a.m., I said Nasdaq 10880 area. If it holds, we have a long, possible swing long. Stop loss at 60. And this was at 10:34 a.m. I'm talking about, look at the time at the bottom, right? I called it long. I said if the level of NQ holds, we might see the move up to 11040. Look at the top of the day, 11040. And this was 10:37 a.m. Stops can be reasonable if we take some profits for T1. Okay, you can take T1 at 95, right? I said I am gonna go in. NQ going in now at 885 area or better. This is 10:37 a.m. 10:37 a.m. Look at the bottom, 10:37 a.m. 8 10:0885 or better. Stop loss at 60, which was here. See, the stop loss was here. And throughout the session, I said we have resistance. We have resistance here. Look what happened to it. I actually mentioned it. It's right here. I told everybody. And at 10:50, I posted this. I said, guys, the market is going to 11040. But do you see the agony that the market went through before it went up to that level? Okay, we had 200 ticks move, back down another 150 after that move. And then after this resistance, it collapsed completely. But at this time, I was out with my first target, 40 ticks on first target on two contracts at 80. And then I moved my stop loss also. At one point, I said let me move my stop loss to 10 plus 10 points. So you got first target 10 points. Okay. Watch this. At 11 o'clock, I mentioned next resisting above 28 will be 40. So this is 28, which they know it will be 40. So the 28 did not hold, I mean held down, but not completely. It went back up to 40 level. You see, 109.40. But I said move your stop loss to break even plus 10 points. So I moved it and I went on a break. When I came back, it was taken. It was massive shakedown today. The market was very bad. Nevertheless, folks, I got 10 points on the first two targets, on the first two contracts. That is 10 points on each. So that's 20 points, which means 80 ticks altogether. 10 points is 40 ticks. And then on the runner, I locked in also 10 points. That's another 40. So I got 120 ticks. In fact, I really wanted my 700 ticks runner. See that? This is what I wanted, but it didn't happen. This strategy, folks, it's so amazing. If you just learn, if you have patience to learn it and to understand it, the market is so vivid. Despite the fact the market was very tough today, I was able to recognize the support and resistance on all the instruments that I was watching today. Enjoy your day, everybody.